Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate XRP in Trust Wallet. To activate your XRP, download and install the Trust Wallet as you can see here over my screen here. You can also use the extension, you can also use the application. If you are new, select create a new wallet, which I have already did, and follow the prompts. Now open the Trust Wallet and tap on the tool button at the top right corner. So just simply search for XPR. Now as you can see here, it is BNB Smart Chain, the network, and this is on the Ethereum. So let's say I will just turn this on, and here let's say I will just go and click on select here. Now tap on XRP, enter wallet, then select receive. So here I will just going and click on receive here. Now you can backup your phrase, your recovery phrase, and this address will be used to send XPR to your wallet. To activate your wallet, you need to deposit at least one XPR. This is a network requirement and will be logged into your wallet as a part of activation fee. Buying XPR directly within Trust Wallet using the buy feature, deposit XPR from another wallet to exchange by copying your address and sending once there. When the transaction is complete, your XPR wallet will be activated and you will see your balance reflect in the app. Remember that the 1 XBR used for activation cannot be spent or transferred. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to activate XRP in Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.